let's wait for 49 hours, okay? Hello, what's happening, everybody? So yeah, my apologies for the timer. It's a Google skill issue. Like, it's just absolutely disgusting. Look, you can't edit the numbers at the end. I click, the cursor moves there momentarily, and then it snaps back to the very right. It's absolutely disgusting. This is if I'm not mistaken, it's a multi-trillion-dollar company. They can't get a simple timer UI to work properly. So it's honestly not my fault, it's Google's fault. Let's get started here. Hey, Jason, my 10. Okay, I'm noticing here there's supposed to be live chat shown. Okay, it's shown. Yeah, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to a live stream here. We'll be doing some cooking, as they call it. What's up, Jason, my 10? War Robot Doge, it's midnight for you. I mean, why are you even up at midnight? You know, you people genuinely worry me. Do you have any sort of reasonable sleep schedule? I don't think you do. So Elstag, have you gone mad? Yes, I have. I've gone mad. Yeah, there was no live stream this morning. It was well, first of all, I was busy, but also last time almost no one joined. So we were just playing one block against the same two people. Like, what was it? Graxity and someone else. I already forgot. So it was disgusting. Anyway, without further ado, let me introduce what we are going to do in this video. So we have the ChatMate mod for Minecraft that we've been using for the past few years, right? And so that works just fine for Minecraft 1.8.9, but it does not work for any other versions. And so I've been doing a little bit of trial and error previously, yesterday in fact, just to see how can we actually port this over into the newest Minecraft version so that we and other people can use it. Because obviously we want to play on 20.1, maybe do some survival, maybe do some other server stuff, you know what I'm talking about, and just see how it goes, I guess. Just want to give me 1 second. So there seems to be an issue here. So this is supposed to be, we built this live on stream, like it was working when we tried it out. There's supposed to be live chat showing, and yet these messages are not showing up they're not picked up by the WebSocket, which makes no sense. We literally got it to work. Like, you can go through the last coding live stream, you can see it working on there. I have live stream evidence. So this makes no sense at all. So what's going on here? So is it even connected? I mean, we're not going to debug this. It's beyond the scope of this live stream. Why? How? I have no idea. Okay, but it's a later problem anyway. My apologies. The premise isn't as insane as one initially thinks. How deeply does the mod integrate into the game through mixins? Oh, it doesn't actually use mixins. So that's the first problem. It's literally, I think that instead of mixins, it just literally replaces the whole chat component system that Minecraft offers, and it replaces it with its own kind of ChatMate version. So that's the first problem. Second problem also is we are jumping many versions of Minecraft and Java ahead, and I don't think most of the code will be reusable. Maybe some will, but I think most won't. Like, there'll be some logic which we can definitely reuse, but anything like rendering related, there's no way. Like the OpenGL version that 1.8.9 uses, I haven't double checked this, but undoubtedly it's way older than the one that 1.20.1 uses. So that's going to be a problem. But I thought about this, and what I want to do for now is just get something in the newest version working, and then worry about like code sharing and that kind of stuff later on. That's kind of my goal, because honestly I have no idea how to do it. Is there any news on Mineplex? I don't know anything since I'm still banned. Well, let me check for you. Let's go to the Discord. Check out oh, there's a new announcement. Hey all, we're looking to find more builders. Now, we've seen this before. To help us get over the line. If you want to apply, do so here. So, Doge, there's your chance. And everything else, yeah, they did the alpha, and I guess there's some explanation of how it went. I don't know. Just saying thanks. I mean, it's mostly empty words. Like, there's still no date. He's just saying, oh, thanks for helping us out. We are doing better. We are going closer to the finish line. Whatever. It's meaningless. In other words, Doge, no one knows. Mineplex may well never come back. We just don't know. But replaces entire chunks of code. Now you can see why it would be harder. Yeah. It's not going to be pretty. I'm not sure yet how it's going to work. What I've done here preemptively is there's the ChatMate client, this is the project that the source code lives in. I've just copied this so that we don't destroy everything, and we'll be working off this folder. And during my trials, actually maybe we'll keep this closed for now. During my trials, I've taken some notes of how we can achieve this. I've already decided I want to keep both the code for both versions in the same Git repo, because it doesn't make sense to break it up. It's just going to be a complete mess. And so the first thing we should do here, let me just put this to the side here. So I got it up to the point where both a 1.8.9 mod and a 1.20.1 mod were able to run that live in the same folder, essentially. And that's where I stopped. That's all I needed to figure out so far. So we'll just create a folder for 1.8.9 here, and we'll just stuff everything in that folder. I don't think logs matter. These folders I'm sure we should delete. Put this, leave this here maybe. Put the build file in there. We'll leave the configuration. This is just setting like environment variables. We'll leave that here. And all these, chuck them all in, I reckon. And then delete the, this contains configs. Yeah, we'll leave this here for now. And delete these two. And then I've downloaded an example mod from Forge. So this is just like the bare basics to get a mod running in the newest version. So we'll create a 1.20.1 folder, and we'll yeet all of this crap in there. And then we'll have to change some configuration within IntelliJ. We'll do that in a second. I think that's it. Let's just copy that. And then also we'll have to edit the name and everything. That's fine. Let's run it. It's obviously not going to work just yet. Hold on, what is this? It's a testing project. Let's go here. This one here. Open in this window, please. You played the alpha and it seemed no different. I mean, that's kind of a good thing, isn't it? Because we want Mineplex to come back. If you play the alpha and it feels like a completely different server, then it's worrying. Like, the whole point of what Mineplex is doing right now is that they themselves don't necessarily make the games, but they empower anyone to make the game. And if you don't know exactly what all that means, there's a fantastic video that Samito D, the leader of Mineplex, has uploaded, where he basically just reads the script, and it's completely void of personality, and you can enjoy that if you have some spare time. In the meantime, we'll waste time here. So this is specifying the config.groovy, which we've left in the root folder, so we have to update that path. And now everything is complaining. So we have to go to this. Actually forgot. Hold on, let me get this up here. So we've moved all of these. We've edited the build.gradle. Now we're editing the application, the debug application. Yeah, that's this one. What? If you hear my bird in the background, I do apologize. Oh, I know what the problem is. Here we have to load these projects. Okay. So this is progress now. So now we can edit the application. Yeah. Let's just leave this like this for now. So the 1.8 module, run this class. And we'll update this to the 1.8.9 folder as well, just like this. I think that's it. Oh, and then I have a couple of like custom Gradle scripts here. Like if we want to build the mod for just all the local, connecting to the local servers, it'll run this. So this has to now be updated to use the new project. Same with this one. Why is this still complaining? Alright, no JDK specified. Okay, so this is done. Now we, what is it? Control Shift Alt S. Goddamn. Let's leave the project unset for now. Project SDK. Just set. So this one needs to be Adopt 12. You know, I honestly have no idea how all this stuff works. Adopt 12 is what it was on the previous 1.8.9 mod, and it worked. So I'll just select the same version. So that's Java 8. It's ancient. Okay, that should now work. I think. Why is it saying ChatMate twice? What the hell, mate? This is just stupid. Okay, let's reload that. It's configuring projects. Okay, there's a big error symbol here. Oh, it's just warnings. Okay, okay. Yeah, why does it have... What is... I don't know why this Gradle folder is here, to be honest. Just give me 1 second. Let me put the chat on the side. As someone who has to maintain support for multiple versions of the game for a single mod, it's not a bad call to make the base code as independent as possible from any native game code. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm aiming to in the long run. I just don't know yet how to actually manage the modules within IntelliJ. That's kind of been a roadblock. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm just kind of running 2 separate modules in here that don't talk to each other at all. Get something working on the new version of the game, and once I have that, then worry about code sharing. But there's definitely plenty of logic we can pull out later on. 1.20.1 doesn't support Java 8, use Java 17. Yeah, we'll be switching to Java 21 to run and build the new version of the mod. I don't think it'll work for the old version. Maybe it does, I don't know. I don't want to break it just yet. What are we doing? So this is still complaining. Module not specified. Oh, we have to update this now. Okay, now everything is green. We don't need program arguments. Let's just verify this runs and doesn't crash. Okay, it's compiling, it's building. I don't know what the difference is, to be honest, but apparently there is one. It's setting up a player, launching. So if we get to the main menu, I think I'm happy. That's probably fine. Yeah, and here's some errors in the console. That's just trying to connect to the local ChatMate server, but I don't have it running, so of course it fails, so that's fine. I think everything is working with that. Doge is saying, how many bids do you have in your kangaroo backyard? What is a bid? What do you mean? Are you high? Go to bed. Why? Doge, go to bed. Why are you here? Okay, so that's all working. I don't think this is a problem. Yeah, I came across the weirdest error when testing this yesterday, but doesn't seem to be a problem anymore. You know what? I'll leave it here for now. I've done this. I've done this. So this should have created... So this created a new Gradle folder. Yeah, it's probably fine. Okay. So that's working. Let's now get the new version of just some random example mod to run. See what happens. So I want to edit the configuration. And this took ages to figure out. So just add one here, add an application. We'll just call this 1.20.1. So here we have to use... So I downloaded the version 21 JDK yesterday, and there were no problems, surprisingly. Couldn't believe it. This is where it gets funky. So we added that. Oh wait, we have to run the gen IntelliJ runs script first. Let's do that. I think that's here. No. Yeah. Okay. Oh, how many birds do I have in my kangaroo backyard? There's actually so many birds these days. It's insane. So I have one right next door who's getting ready for sleeping now. The sun is setting soon. And then the ones outside, they'll be up for another 10-20 minutes probably. I apologize if there are... Also, why is this playing the same music over and over? What? I apologize if there are annoying, distracting background noises. Where do we go? Boop, 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 boop. Alright, restart the playlist. Okay, and Disaster is playing first up. Fantastic. Just what I wanted. Okay, so we've run this script. Add a new configuration. Okay. Yeah, this is the nasty part here. New application, call it 1.20.1. Main. The main class. This is the weird one. And this is the... I got all these settings from the example mod. If you run it just in its own IntelliJ project, then everything is working fine. So I just copied these over. No JDK. Right, that's fine. And then we need program arguments, importantly. Excuse me. So these ones here. Is that right? Yeah, I don't know which of these are actually needed, but this one's definitely needed, and I think this one is also definitely needed, which I don't understand what they even mean. And what else? And then we are saving it just in here. Okay. Now back to the project structure. If we update this project SDK to version 21 and this one as well, then I think that's all we have to do. Yeah. Oh, I think there was... I remember something about... like output folders. Where was that? Do I have to set this? I don't know. It's not complaining. So maybe not. Oh, here, this compiler output. Have I got this? Where is this supposed to go? Maybe I don't have to do it. Let's leave it blank. I assume it'll just go into the root folder of the project. That's my guess. Yeah, let's see what happens if I press play. Okay, is disaster playing on loop now? Oh, it is on loop. It was looping 1 the whole time. So we want to loop all and shuffle. Okay, okay. This is actually a user error. Hey, it's running. Please. Hey. Hey.
Press enter to enable the narrator.
We got the narrator. Press enter. Should we press
narrator,
enter?
Narrator. Narrates chat. Narrator.
It's kind of
narrator.
Okay. Yes, thank you. Let's see if we can figure out... Oh, this actually looks similar to the other Minecraft version. Okay, let's put the sound off for now. We don't need it. Done. Cool. I think that's already... I wanted to see what folders it created in here. Wait, so this should have... This didn't create the XML file that I assumed it would. So what I expected... So there's a checkbox here, right? We want to save as project file in this folder, and yet we are in this folder and it hasn't appeared. So that's interesting. Just say client. Okay, it's not there. It's a bit annoying. It's definitely in the right folder. Oh. Don't know why it hasn't saved. But alright. It's a later problem, I do believe. For now, let's commit everything we've got. So all the files will appear red. And then we'll change things later. Yeah, this is a safe spot. Let's create a new branch. Hold on, what should the branch name? So I have a method of naming my branches. Just give me 1 second. Depends on what ticket I'm working on. So this is 822. Multiple version support. So this is an experimental branch for now, I guess. But very well later on it might make it into the master branch. And yeah, this is just moving a whole bunch of files. And yeah, we have to select everything. Okay. Again, reference the ticket. Added. Project. That's not very descriptive. move 1.8.9 mod into its own folder and added example mod for 1.20.1. Okay. I'll just both running. Just add this comment so I don't forget. So this is a safe space here. We can return to this anytime we need a checkpoint, they call it. Oh, okay. It has duplicates of everything because this is the old one and this is the new one. Okay, it's just thinking. Analyzing code. I don't know why you need to analyze the code. Just go ahead. We've pretty much just renamed files. Come on. It's so slow. What a disaster. Yeah, we'll have to do a whole bunch of renaming. So I don't think we need this anymore. Archives base name. It's just 1.8.9. We'll copy that over to the other builder Gradle. Is that right? Under group. Yeah. We'll worry about that later. Let's do it now. Oh, is it done? Commit and push checks failed. Why are there checks? Review to do. You can't have to do in your code before you push it? Or warning? The warnings are BS sometimes, I swear. Okay, you know what? Commit anyway. Push it. Okay, now it's analyzing it again. It's unbelievable. Okay. Oh, this needs to be renamed. Let's make this smaller. Don't think we need this for now. I have no idea what all of this means. So we'll have to edit this later on. I'll show this. So there's a load properties method here that I wrote for the 1.8.9 mod. And this is, first of all, it's setting the full version of the mod, so we can display it in the dashboard UI. And then also, like I said earlier, it's just reading these config. Is it showing any sensitive information? I hope not. Let's find out. It's not. Excellent. Yeah, this is just reading environment variables, basically. So we'll get that to work. For now, we'll hardcode everything. Okay, it's still not done? What? Push, you idiot. Commit. Oh, it's analyzing again. What? Why are you analyzing? Okay. But it's never done that before. Or maybe it happened so quickly I don't notice. I don't know. What the hell? So do we have to wait now or what? Let's go into this example mod. I think I should wait for this to finish before I do anything. Oh my god, what a disaster. Yeah, stop. Just commit. Oh, okay. Push commits to ChatMate client. So what's this screen now? So is it just a confirmation that this is all we've done? Are you sure you want to commit this? Yeah, I'm bloody sure. Push! Done! Okay, that was quick. Okay, so what's the... So I want to make sure the namespace or package name, whatever it's called, is the same for both. Oh, wait, it shouldn't be the same. So instead of dev.rebel.chatmate, should this be dev.rebel.chatmate.1.8.9? These are the types of decisions we have to make. Oh, probably not, because they're separate projects anyway, but they have the same name. So should they have different names if they are separate projects? I don't know. Let's just try this. So hopefully it'll complain if something goes wrong. Now, I do believe we have to just rename... Okay, what is... I've seen this before. What is this generated main crap? Oh my god, I hate it. Let's rename this. Can we just rename this? Oh, apparently we can. Refactor. Oh! Okay, it's just an empty folder. Delete that. Yeah, delete it. I don't care. Same with the tests. Nothing needed here. Okay. So did that work? Yep. Just keep everything clean, I guess. Do you fully understand Java? Oh no, I understand almost nothing about Java. So it's the way I do my programming is basically just hit it until it works. And you know what? So far it's been going reasonably well. It just takes a bit. With Fabric, this is more or less a matter of creating submodules for each version and then just doing the version agnostic code in the main project with the project root /source. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. I haven't considered that. I kind of assumed that every module has to be in its own kind of subfolder within the root folder. I didn't know that the root folder, the root project itself, can contain code. Okay. It's like I said, it's a later problem if it comes up. I mean, it will come up. We won't worry about that today. Okay, let's make sure. Oh, this is still running. Let's make sure I can still run that. And then the minimum feature we want to add in this live stream is to just get the chat displaying in Minecraft 1.20.1. And like that's already the main part of ChatMate. If we can get that working, everything else will hopefully fall into place. This is using Forge beta. Alright. So I'm not supposed to use this version? Didn't know. Just click the latest release or something. Okay, so that's still working. Let's make sure this example mod is indeed here. So I think now we have to do some maintenance here. What do we modify to change the name? Oh, here. So, okay. Gradle.properties. Oh, okay. So it's different here. If I do a whole project search for mod ID, just trying to see. Oh my god, why is this window so tiny? Tiny, just like something else. Oh, we don't set the mod ID in the 1.8.9 ChatMate. Oh, right here. Okay, so it's just ChatMate. Mod name is ChatMate. All rights reserved. Can we just remove it? Like, I don't care about licenses. Just use it. Use it for free. Mod version. We'll actually set this elsewhere just to keep it consistent. I'm guessing this should be dev.rebel.chatmate. This should be rebel guy, which is me. Mod description. Do we need a description? How do we set it up? Like, this is very different to how we did it for 1.8.9. Oh wait, hold on. We have a. I remember there was one file. Like there was like a setting. Oh, mcmod.info. Yeah, this is the one. This is what I was talking about. So we'll just copy this. Go back here. Anything else? Oh, we should probably add the URL here. Chatmate.com. Sure, why not? Update URL. That's a later issue. I haven't worried about how to manage updates yet. Can we set the URL here? Maybe not. That's alright, I don't care. The example mod is targeting 1.21.1 when you are attempting to target 1.20.1, which is a very different breed of cat. Oh, sorry, did I make a mistake here? The example mod is targeting 1.21.1. Where is it? Oh, you sure? Is this for Minecraft? Hold on for a second. Oh, hold on, what is this? ChatMate. Oh, I downloaded the wrong one. It does appear. Okay, hold on. What's the latest Minecraft version? Okay, it's a gross oversight. You're absolutely right. Latest Minecraft version. Oh no, 1.21 is okay. So the hold on. I think we have to update the video title. Okay. You're absolutely right. Thank you for pointing that out. So I was trying to say 1.21.1. Yeah. Okay, I don't care about the thumbnail very much. Did we set 1.20.1 anywhere else? So here, this is just the name. Okay, now we have to now we have to update all the configuration. Thank you. Oh. This could be interesting. Let's see if it works. If I can just rename this. F2. Rename module and directory. Oh, it might be as easy as this. Search for references. I don't know what this means. Let's just say sure. Default selection is hopefully the most sanest one. Okay. I think it worked. Oh no, the application disappeared. Okay, we have to add it. That's just stupid, mate. That's alright, doesn't bother me. Has no effect on my mood. Oh, this is still wrong. Okay, hold on. I think we have to reload everything. Let's do it step by step. Close project. I know there's a invalidate cache. Just restart. Will this work for later versions as well, or just the 1.21s? I have no idea. I don't know if Video Game Smash is responding to Doge or not. But personally, I have no idea. We'll have to wait and see. So from what I've heard, Forge did a lot of internal restructuring for 1.13, which would explain the differences in how mods are defined. Yeah, that's what I heard as well. So that whenever there's like back compatibility for Minecraft versions, it always ends at 1.13. So that's where they did the major update for sure. I think you're right. Let's refresh this. Oh, okay, we already have a problem here. Fantastic. This doesn't exist. Okay, why is this... Can we just unlink this? Alright. Refresh. How do we relink the Gradle project? That is the question. Probably no one knows. We might have to end the live stream here. So there should be a button. Open in? No, that's not the correct button. Maybe build? No, there's... Oh wait, just click plus, you idiot. This one here. Haha! Yeah, it's doing things. Who would have thought renaming a folder just breaks everything? Well, I would have thought it. Doesn't surprise me at the least. Okay, fantastic. Okay, god damn it. We might have to delete the thing and and import it again. Mod version. Oh wait, you need the mod version. Oh, buddy, really? So they need this mod version from here. Okay, we'll just add it back for now. Just 1.0.0. It's not used anyway, I think. There you go. Be a good citizen. Let's try again. Okay, hasn't failed yet. It's looking good. Gonna be completely honest. Everything is fine. Finished with no errors. Do we have to rerun the Gen IntelliJ runs? Let's do it. Can't hurt to do it twice. The worst that can happen is nothing happens. I like that. Right? Are you working on H&R Network finally? Yeah, that's it, Ninja Town. I think there's a typo in your name, by the way. It's supposed to be Ninja Town or what? Check your settings for Gradle, as I suspect the folder rename needs to carry over in there as well, if submodules work in that. Good idea. Settings for Gradle. Oh no, there's not much in here. Okay. So it might just work here. Let's go back in here now. Should be able to add back the application just as before. Yeah, so it's found it now. And then we'll copy this. This one here. It's just stupid, to be honest. And go back. Why is it that when I hit Alt Tab, it doesn't go back? Okay, now it does. Set that. I love copy and pasting. Store as project file. Yes, please. Just in here. And we'll name it 1.21.1. Client. Screw the client. I like short. Straight to the point, and then working directory will be 1.21.1. Coolies. Okay. Now. Oh, okay, it added it this time. What? Look, there it is. It didn't do that before. So that we set the JDK or SDK, I don't know what the difference is, to version 21. It's a disaster. I hate this environment. I hate all environments. Anyway, as long as it works, we're happy. So let's just run it again. Sanity check. Yeah, we did all this. Okay. So it should work.
Press enter to
All right,
enable the
buddy.
narrator.
Yeah, you again. I think it worked. And ChatMate is here. Hey! So I wonder if we can utilize the child mod feature. I've noticed this before. I don't really know what this means. Mod ID ChatMate state. Done. Oh, it's not putting a new line here. Well, fantastic. Okay. So this is the newest Minecraft version. Where do we see within Minecraft what version it is? Does it tell us anywhere? So I don't know what the new version looks like. License. No. Credits. No credits. Okay. It'll clearly show the version right here. Yeah. Yeah. I see it already. It's a disaster. If you... Yeah, it's coming up. If you intend to support multiple mainstream versions of the game, I would like to warn you that 1.20 had multiple breaking changes in between minor versions, which will be a pain in your ass. No, I don't intend to go back. So it'll be 1.8.9. That's kind of the main version, because that's what we play on in the Rebel Guy live streams. And then from now on, I'll see if I can at least get a basic ChatMate version out on the newest version. So if we want to play like survival, or we want to play on different servers that support the new version, we can still use ChatMate. That's kind of the idea. Okay. Can we get out? Thank you. Attribution. No. Okay, we don't know what the version... I just trust that this is the correct version. So let's generate a world. So I like to do... This looks so different. So I've never played these newer versions. Yeah, commands. I want to do a super flat. Game rules. Oh my god, dude, mate. It's insane. That's pretty nice. Not gonna lie. Might give it a go in a live stream one day. We'll do a nice survival series. Alright. Chat is working. So I'm trying to think, what do we need now to support basic ChatMate functionality, i.e. showing live stream chat in the Minecraft chat? Well, one, we'll have to find out which method we have to call to add a piece of string to the chat. That's probably going to be one of the easier parts. And then two, we'll actually have to connect to the server and get data, which is going to be a bit tricky. And I wonder how much we can reuse, which reusing by now, at the moment, will just mean copy and pasting. Oh, hold on, there's more to change. So this should be ChatMate. Show conflicts. Oh, okay. Now we have a nice little problem on our hands. Can we ignore them and continue? Can we put dots here? 1.8, 1.20, 1.1. Is this a valid? No. What about this? Unexpected token. What about this? Are you serious? You can't put anything in here? So we have to do what? This. You can't put numbers in here? No, you're joking. Or maybe it can't start with numbers. Oh yeah, that's it. So now it's just saying wrong file name. Okay. Hold on. Let's experiment. Can we say what? Oh no, we can't put numbers. So this is just not allowed. Okay, this is allowed. Okay. So we can do something like this maybe. Make it happy. Yes. Let's try this. Maybe it's a horrible idea, but maybe not. Did this break again? Oh, that's all fine. Okay, cool. Let's rename this now to just ChatMate Refactor. Any more references to example mod? So just show me Java files. Okay. Yeah, this is, we'll delete all this placeholder crap eventually. But for now, let's commit. That's it. I'm over it. I'm committing, everyone. Yeah, so we moved the mod. Okay. Wait, why is the description already here? That's weird. Added 1.21.1 module for ChatMate. Push it. Yeah. Hey, killing is here. Good morning. Hey, what's the... Doge, don't do that. Yo, what's the time for you killing? I hate how you... When you click on something to highlight text and it opens this stupid pop-over menu. And how do you close it? Well, normally by clicking somewhere else. But look, that means clicking on another chat item. It opens again. It's a disaster. Smart idea prevents you from having to suffer through the deaths of 10 years of version changes. Yeah, that's in response to me not supporting anything between the current version and 1.8.9. Chat component code is completely out of the question, as the means for processing and creating chat components has changed almost unrecognizably from what it was like back in the days. Alright, well, thanks for letting me know. That they'll save me some time. I don't have to even bother looking into it. Packages. Oh, version. Yeah, I like that. We'll do it later. Yeah. Okay, I wish I saw this message before I did the renaming. Hey, Galaxy Crab, what's happening? That's 10 AM for you killing. That's a good time. You know, I usually start my live streams on Sunday at 9 AM. So there you go. Oh, I should have this chat up on the side. I shouldn't miss it. Galaxy Crab, you actually made it to the live stream. Yeah, true. I don't see you that often anymore. You must be busy with life. That's my assumption. Example tab. What is a tab? Oh, okay, we don't need to worry about this. Example item. We are not creating new items. No. Nope. We don't care about blocks or items. Let's leave the logger in there. I probably... like, logging is something I definitely want to reuse later on, because this is actually doing some pretty intelligent logging. It logs error objects correctly, timestamps everything nicely, writes the class name where the logging happened, etc. But that's for later. Yeah, we're not registering any buses here. Just trying to see what can we get rid of here. Hold on, can we check that this has actually been printed? Hey, it has! I also like the color. It's just green and yellow depending on info or warning. Okay, yeah, just delete this method. Useless. Delete this. This is just server-side code? Guess not. On server starting. What server? This is just a client. We might want this actually. So I wonder what the difference is. When is this method called versus when is this method called? It's 3:50 a.m. for you, dude. What? See, I was making a comment earlier saying that no one has a decent sleep schedule. Yeah, I wasn't wrong. Except maybe killing. I think log service could be somewhat redundant if you use a traditional logging library built into the game like log4j. Yeah, and then get the next vulnerability. Yeah, I bet. Yeah, maybe. I mean, it's a minor detail. Like logging is not on my mind at all right now. Galaxy, you're a night owl. I'll almost always find you online super late. Yeah, most people seem to be like this. They go to bed when the sun rises or something. It's just insane. I wake up when the sun rises like a normal person. That's why the sun was invented, so you know when to get up. Don't know what this is, and I'm just going to maybe keep it. This is a static class. This looks pretty important. So I wonder when this is called. Hold on, I have an idea. Why don't we read the documentation? If only there was a simple way to solve this. Are you calling me restarted, Rebel? Oh no, I'm not. I'm calling you retarded, War Robot Doge. Let's see. Forge mod loader dev doc. Alright, let's see. Getting started. Introduction. Okay. Glad I didn't have to worry about this. It just worked after I downloaded the latest JDK. Oh, we only needed 17. Okay, I got 21. Whatever. Yeah, that's all fine. Yeah, yeah. So we could do this in VS Code. Might be nice, actually. So I think VS Code is a nice editor. Yeah. Don't need this. Alright. So, look, we've got this part. The mod files... mods.toml. What is a toml? So I don't want to care about customization and configuration, to be honest. I just want to get coding. Mod entry points. That's what we want. Oh, do we need the mods.toml? Hold on. Maybe it was important. I just skipped over it. I mean, everything is already here. It's just 90% comments. Oh, it's not happy with this. Okay. I'll be happy to not touch this file. Thank you. Hold on, let me put the chat on the side. From my personal experience, the Minecraft client includes a dedicated server for single player. But why is the server needed? Really? Is it only... Like, maybe that's just how it works. Okay, fair enough. So I guess it's not just a Forge thing, right? If your mod is entirely intended for client-side stuff, I think you'll be safe to remove it, as that method looks like it's called when the Minecraft server part of the game runs. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Hey, War Robot Dodge, good night. Mr. Pregnant Boy. Congratulations. Is it a boy or girl? Or something else? I mean, we can't make assumptions nowadays. We don't know. But we do know he's black. Or she. Or whatever. They. Right? Surely. At least half. This is probably... Oh, back to the documentation. Don't assume you know how the code works, because you don't. This must match mods.toml. Let's see. Add mod ID. ChatMate. I think this already matches the toml file. Is this one? Yeah. Oh no, we don't have ChatMate in here anywhere. Mod ID is coming from gradle.settings, if I'm not completely mistaken. Or gradle.properties. What a disaster. Just have the config in one file, mate. It's just stupid. So I hate this. Back and forth. Yeah, so there's the mod ID. Yeah, so everything is matching up. This didn't help us that much. Oh no, that's right. So in the constructor is when we are loading everything. So how do we know... This one has an argument, but the example doesn't. So we do need to register events. Maybe? At some point? Look, I think Modbus... What is the Modbus made? Oh, okay. So there's no point of adding this argument here other than you don't have to call this static get method here to get the value which is provided in the argument. Alright. So this is an important thing. Right. Add listener. I think this is called when the mod is loaded. Let's just do this on load. For simplicity. Register ourselves. Yeah, we'll register ourselves. Don't need this. Forge config spec. I think we should probably leave this here. It sounds important. Yeah, cool. I'm happy with that. Unload. Oh, needs an argument. Hold on. Whatever. What is T? Event. Okay. Haha! Hi. Let's just make sure this is called properly. Oh, hold on client setup. Now they're nesting static classes. Why on earth? It's a transgender unicorn multi-race big-horned sheep, and he shows a white sheep. Okay, buddy. It's intriguing, truly intriguing. Hold on, let's read the documentation more. I'm trying to understand what this is doing here. Structuring your mod. Probably should have looked at this before starting. Oh yeah. There talks about modules. Pick a unique top-level package structure. Many programmers will use the same name for different classes, interfaces, etc. Java allows classes to have the same name as long as they are in a different package. Yeah, okay. Seems reasonable. Oh, hold on. I thought package and module was the same thing. But you can have a package in a... Oh, no, package is just a folder, right? Yeah. So if it has a blue square, I don't know if you can see this on the stream. If it has a blue square, it's a module. If it has a black dot, like the folder with the black dot, that means it's a package. Yes. Okay, we don't have to worry. Yeah, I don't care. Class naming schemes. A common class naming scheme makes it easier to decipher the purpose of the class or to easily locate specific classes. Classes are commonly suffixed with its type, for example, item called powering item. Oh, it makes sense. I beg to differ, but okay. Be consistent, okay. Versioning. Probably should have started here. Oh wait, this is talking about the mod version, not the Minecraft version. Oh, nope, no. Okay. Let's find out what they have to say. Is this too small? Probably. Yeah. If the mod upgrades to a new version of Minecraft and the old version will only receive bug fixes, which I think will be my intention, in fact, the patch variable should be updated based on the version before the upgrade. Oh, right, but this is the patch version of the mod, right? If the mod is still in active development in both the old and new version of Minecraft, it is advised to append the version to both build numbers. For example, if the mod is upgraded to version 3 due to a Minecraft version change, the old... Oh, okay. The old mod should also be updated to 3. The old version will become, for example, version 1. No idea what this means. Well, the new version will be 1.8. If there are no changes at all. Okay, I don't understand. I don't care. Examples. Huh? Okay. Internationalization. Just speak the same language. Yeah, don't think we have to register anything at this point. So all we want to do is add a line to chat. You know what? Let's start there. Close all this crap here. Should I increase the size? Is that better? So no, it's not. It's a bit blurry on the stream. So I need to buy better internet so I can upload at a higher rate. Oh yeah, let's check everything runs. Check, commit, and then keep going. I like it. Very smart. Oh! Dude. Thank God we tested. Okay. Listener for event class event takes an argument that is not a subtype of the base type interface I mod bus event. Oh, well, it's actually a useful error. Thank God I'm reading errors. I bus. I already forgot. I think it's this. Yeah. Cool, cool, cool. So many red lines in the log here. It's a disaster. It scares me. I have nightmares about this. What is this? Just a warning. I don't care about warnings. Oh no, it's still not working. Okay. I mod bus event. Oh, wrong one, buddy. No, that's right. Listener for event class Java lang object. Oh, this is the disaster. Takes an argument that is not a subtype of the base type interface. Okay, hold on. Oh, I know how to fix this. Just do object, right? Let's try it. Get event bus. Nah, it doesn't like it, mate. Oh, we have to refer to the documentation. No, god damn it. Or I mean, do we need this? No. Haha. Screw you. Just delete it. Just call onload here. Haha. Screw you. Did you fix the black bar that was flashing at the top of your screen? Dude, yes, I goddamn did. You cannot believe my happiness. So there's a... I'm still not happy. Okay, we'll get back to that. There's a configuration somewhere. Here. Allow flipping. Remove the checkbox and it's magically fixed. Is that not unbelievable? I think it is. You haven't seen it. Yeah, that's a W. It's a common Rebel W, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, hold on. We saw red lines. Missing sound for event. Okay, this is not good. We'll have to fix this at some point. So does it mean none of the sounds are working? Oh, it has a preview of the world. That's kind of cute. Hold on. Oh yeah, none of the sounds are working. Hey, later problem. So I know there's probably a working directory I haven't updated or something. What are we testing? Oh yeah, we're checking for hi in the console. Nope. Hi, there it is. So it's loading. What's this? Scary red. Couldn't set icon. I really honestly don't care. It can't set the Minecraft icon of the game. That doesn't bother me in the slightest. What bothers me is that it's making such a fuss about it in the logs. Look at this. It's like 20 lines for such a trivial problem. No one cares. Alright, let's get serious. So. Yeah, I was trying to do something like this, like on initialization, run this code, but I don't think we need to do it, honestly. So I'm trying to see what code can we borrow, with no intention of returning, from here. There's a lot going on. Where's the chat proxy? Are we going to copy all this? Oh, this is going to be a bit tricky. Probably we want to start it from scratch, because I can imagine the way you make network requests in the new Java is very different to the old Java. Because in here we have to do all sorts of setting up. Actually, I just want to check. Okay, bye-bye. In the new version of Java, where are we? Here. Do they have await? No, dude, still no async. It's just disgusting, dude. What? Still have to pass callbacks method everywhere. God damn it. Actually pisses me off. So all we wanted to do... download string. That's what it comes down to. So we have to do something similar to this. I might just ask ChatGPT if that's alright. Don't judge me. Just want to get work done. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Let's get coding. Server URL. For now, I'm just going to use the production server URL. Config.groovy. This one here. Right, need double quotes. Java and JavaScript are not the same. We'll keep it extra simple. No, we won't. Yeah, we will. I don't know. Maybe. And now, yes, I know what we're going to do. ChatGPT. Stay logged out. Don't track me, mate. Java 21 make simple network request to download text. Let's see how simple it really is. Create a client. Request builder. Why? Why do we need a request builder, mate? Just we know the URL. Client.send. Okay, that's actually really simple. That's way easier than what we did in the old ChatMate. Then where was it? So in the old ChatMate, so we create a URL object. We create a URL connection. We set the request method. Okay, login token, streamer header. Okay, request body. Oh wait, no. I'm skipping things. No, I'm not. Alright, and then we get the connection, the response code. So it's only at this point where it's actually getting. So many steps. It just sucks, mate. But hey, that's the old version. We can play with the new and shiny code. New client. Surely we can just simply import. Hey, it just worked. Okay, it's already complaining. There's a warning. Used without try catch. Fair enough, mate. You'll be a good citizen. What's the... do we usually have a new line? No, I don't think so. Exception. Do nothing. No! This doesn't accept an exception object, mate. We want to log an error. We have an error. Just pass the error. That's just dumb. See, this is why my log service is better. You can just pass in anything. Okay, why is it still complaining? Try with resource statement. Is ChatGPT doing this? No, it's not. I'm just copying from ChatGPT. Don't blame me, mate. Blame the other people. And ChatGPT is just copying from other humans, as far as I understand. Oh wait, forgot the HTTP request builder. Oh, we have to create the URI object as well. They're just joking at this point. Oh, my apologies. Yeah, import, import, import. What is it? /chat since. Okay. Just say since the beginning of time. And then there's another query parameter we can add for just limiting how many items are returned. We'll just set that to 1 for now. Okay. What will we, coder guy, what will we be doing in 1.21? Oh, just showing the chat for now. And then maybe playing survival? You know, I think I'm dying. People have expressed interest in playing newer versions. So that's a possibility. Okay, so we got the response. What do we do next, Mr. ChatGPT? Okay, it's pretty reasonable. Make sure it's actually successful. Alright. Let's try it. This should work, right? Ah! Red! Oh, it's just the usual. I couldn't set the icon. Oh, I'm crying. You see me crying? That's how much I care. Response body. No response. Okay, this is kind of worrying. Time for the good old breakpoint. Let's just restart again. We'll create... So the way we used to do it in the old ChatMate is we had a timer, which was just polling the API, I think twice a second. Highly inefficient. And then eventually we got the WebSocket set up. That's what's handling requests nowadays. But I don't want to deal with the WebSocket in here yet. Just want to get it working. Okay, yeah. Cool. Hey! Hey! Oh, okay. It wasn't successful. Oh, it's a 400 error, isn't it? Let's check. So I think I didn't provide the streamer header. So it doesn't say why. Because we are only logging the status code, okay. But I'm telling you right now, the streamer header was missing. Let's see. Surely we have a request builder. Surely we can do .header. Hey, okay, that's kind of intuitive. Set header or header? Is there a difference? Then X streamer, what is it? I have to just double check here. Check the documentation. There is documentation, believe it or not. X streamer. Oh, that's the header name, okay. We'll set it to Rebel Guy, which is me. So if all goes well, have the breakpoint. If all goes well, we'll see something logged, which would be the latest chat message by none other than Tintin. Alright. Alright. Let's see if it's here. Yes, it's here, dude. So this should say, what will we be doing? Jesus Christ, I'm sure it's there somewhere. I'm sure it's there. Okay. So we've done the most basic thing. The next thing will be dash, it'll be your message. Ah, you'll be next, buddy. You'll be next. The next thing will be to actually send this to the chat. So what we can do with the old Forge is just like we get Minecraft.get. Still works. Okay. I hope this is the correct Minecraft. Not the old version. Right? I don't know why there's so many errors in here. I don't think we have to care. No, I don't think we have to care. Hold on, what? 1.20, 1.1. Yeah, this is the correct Minecraft object. Okay, let's double check what methods are available. Probably, let's see, .chat. No. Something GY. What is this? GY.getChat. Hey, that sounds pretty promising. .addMessage. Ah, you know, I'm noticing right now, it's not giving me any hints here for the argument names. So it only has the class names. Hold on, if I go in here, yeah, so the values are completely messed up. I don't remember how we did this before. I think we have to run something, deobfuscate the code. Not too important, because we know the first string will just be the message. So, oh, now, now the hard part will be parsing this response body. It's JSON. Using Jackson. Are we using Jackson? We might do it. Oh, no. JSON here. That's the one we are using. This is from Google. Works beautifully. This is where we start to copy and paste a little bit, I think. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I'll tell you what. Let's collapse this. Show you something cool. So 1.8.9 source main blah 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 API public objects. I think we can just copy this whole thing source blob. Still don't know what this is. Java. Okay. Package API. Paste that to directory. Yeah, I think that's right. Yeah. Alright, it's working. Add files to Git. Add them all, please. So this is the kind of code we'll definitely want to share later on. Oh, and if you in case you don't know what this is just the not found. This is the schema definition of all the endpoints of the ChatMate server. So for example, if we get the chat, it'll be of type public chat item with these properties. And then there's a lot of other public things. So what do we do here? How come it's correctly added these? Oh, they're in the same package, same folder. Okay. We'll have to do some bulk renaming here. Can we do Control H? It's just for the current file. Control Shift H. In the current module, called this. Want to replace. Nothing found. Well, that's a lie. Let's undo this. Let's make sure it works. Nothing found. What? You're lying, mate. Okay, we might have to do it manually. That sucks. I'm sure there's a better way. Just go through them all until we find all the errors, or what? Surely there's a better way. Okay, but for now, it might just build. I don't know. Alright, we need to add JSON. Add JSON with Gradle. That's what I was after. Check for the latest version. Alright, we might do that actually. 2.11. Aha! It's trying to trick me. Then we go to build.gradle for this mod. Dependencies, this one here. There you go. What's the subversion? Does it autocomplete like package.json? No, it doesn't. VGS12. My main account seems to have been shadow banned on here. Presumably I said something. So I'd ask that you check Twitch chat as I'll be commenting there for general coding commentary. Oh, VGS12. It's the video guy from earlier. I said something and now everything I say under that account just gets silently ignored. What? Hold on. Why would that happen? So I didn't ban you or anything. Fascinating. Yeah, no worries. I'll check the Twitch chat as well. No worries at all. I'll have both open next to each other. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks for nothing. On my second screen, which you cannot see, but you have to trust me, I'm about to open it. Where's the chat button? I like how it says Hunger Games live stream on Twitch. That is indeed false. There's no chat button! What the heck? So when the window is very narrow, apparently you can't view the chat. I seem to be correct. If only there was a way we can view it. Let's see if this works now. No, why is this not working, mate? So we implemented this on the stream exactly for this reason. Okay, hey, we got it. Chat component is the internal means of chat messages, and it is a derivative of component. You can use it something like chat. You can use something like chat component, component.text to create text components. Yeah, I think this is similar to the 1.8.9 version, to be honest. Open your channel, click the settings gear, and click pop out chat. How can I show... Every time I drag this window around, it becomes wide again. Okay, actually here. Look, there's no chat. Click the settings gear. Pop out player? No, this is just the player. Here maybe. No. Oh, this one. Ah, okay. User error. Oh, it's not possible. So this ability goes away when it's very narrow. I mean, it just sucks. But it looks like maximize. But on my second screen, I can't do it because it's a small screen. But it looks like the ChatMate website is working correctly now. So I think I can just use that. No worries. See, it's exactly why we did this a couple live streams ago. For this purpose. So now we see YouTube and Twitch in one place. It's so simple. It just works. It's beautiful. Brings tears of happiness to my eyes. It works for you. Well, it doesn't work for me. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. They're messing with us, mate. They're trolling. The Twitch devs are trolling. Actually, I think the Twitch devs are quite talented people, to be honest. They've done good stuff. I liked working with the Twitch API in comparison with the YouTube API. The YouTube API is the worst thing I've ever laid my eyes upon. The Twitch API is pretty nice. Okay. Nothing happened when I pressed refresh. I'll take that as a win. Let's see what the next step is. Now we use it. Oof. Why don't they make the window of ChatGPT wider? We always have to scroll sideways when copying code. They don't make it easy for us. You know what? Let's just use the same code as here. So we're downloading the string. And if successful, we parse the response like this. The icon error is due to your mod not having a icon.png file which is presumably shown in the mod list menu. Something similar is present in the Fabric mod loader. Well, thank you for pointing that out. Let's see. Tom L. I still don't know who Mr. Tom L is. First name Tom, last name starts with L. That's all we know. Let's see. Icon. Maybe here? No. Don't know where this is defined, to be honest. Oh, maybe in the... No, it wouldn't be the build.gradle. I don't know. I thought what they're talking about is this icon. If you can see, the Minecraft icon is missing. It's supposed to show a dirt block, right? And then when we start it up, there's a whole bunch of warnings here, which are saying it can't find resources. I think that's the problem. That's all it's complaining about. Which I'm sure is just because I forgot to update a working directory. So this one is fine. I must have forgotten it somewhere. Project structure, maybe. Paths. Ah. I don't know what this is, to be honest. We don't set it for the 1.8.9 mod. Yeah, but it's no issue. I don't mind. Later problem. Response. Body. Return class will be a public chat item and an array thereof. Okay, doesn't like that. Oh, dot class. Can we do this? Yes, we can. And then the JSON object here will just be done like this. Oh, let's take a shortcut. I love taking shortcuts. We don't care about cleanliness. We really don't. We can surely import this now. No, we cannot. Should I press this? How is Linux holding up for you? It seems like you've grown quite comfortable with it since I asked about it months ago. In all honesty, it sucks. It's horrible, but it's better than Windows. Okay, that's all I'll say. There's almost no stream where we don't have some kind of issue related to Linux. Usually it's sound related. Sometimes there's issues with the NVIDIA. Oh yeah, I can't use the NVIDIA encoder for my live streams. It's just there's no option. I can't figure it out. I've tried everything. And I tried upgrading my NVIDIA driver and it messed everything up. I couldn't even boot up. It was horrible. Where's this? Output. Yeah, so we only have software encoding, no hardware encoding. It's just not an option. There's some logs in OBS that I try to figure out, but it's just, I don't know. But it's working. It's working. At least it doesn't show Candy Crush ads when I open my start menu, okay? Should we click add library? Let's do it. I did it. Nothing happened. Cannot resolve. Let's do it again. Oh, maybe I'm doing it wrong. Let's ask our friend. Oh, hold on. It's not using... Oh, it's just calling JSON parser. Okay, it's a bit different than what we did before. IntelliJ is just being... that's not too surprising because NVIDIA drivers on Linux suck donkey doo-doo. Yeah, that's my experience as well. So IntelliJ is just being stupid. Try using the new JSON. Try typing it out by hand. Add it to the class path. Let me tell you what. If in doubt, just restart. That should fix it. It just doesn't like it. Yeah. That must be it. Okay, let's wait. Okay, it still doesn't like it. Hold on. Another idea. Just copy this. If I copy whatever ChatGPT did... Oh, let's get rid of all these. See ya. Oh. Alright. Same problem. Yeah, it's a bit odd. Maybe I did something wrong. In fact, probably I did. It should show up in the dependencies here, I'm assuming. This is all... Can we search? There's no search functionality. It's just stupid. Here, I see it. There it is. It's right here. com.google.co.json. Is this gonna work? No. Oh. No, it just doesn't like this at all. It's like it's not even installed. If we just build it. Minecraft uses JSON internally all the time. Okay. Maybe I got the version wrong, to be honest. Maybe I need a patch version. Let's see. Try 0.0. So it might be my bad. I'm surprised it wouldn't automatically resolve to the latest patch version, but okay. Let's see if that fixed it. Okay, give it a second. Don't be impatient, everyone. Calm down. Don't start the riot. No, disaster is playing. Oh. Exactly. Build successful. Okay. But this is still not successful. In theory, you shouldn't need to import JSON because the game itself comes with it. But I mean, I need to... Like, where else would it get the code from if not the import, you know? I'm sure I need to import something. Oh wait, here it is now. Alright. Got it. So it actually was the problem of just not adding 0.0. Unbelievable. I mean, you would think that the whatever is checking my build.gradle file would actually alert me of that, but it does not. So we need the JSON builder. Yes, it worked. Okay, now we can just say items. Okay. Oh, I'm getting excited. We might be about to see something here. And we'll add each item to the chat. Just add the first message part. Text starter. And pray it's actually a text message part and not emoji message part. No one sent emojis, okay? No one sent a chat message that starts just with an emoji. Please. I'm begging you. Oh, we need... Okay, this is where what you told us later, earlier comes in. Component dot text. New component. Text component. Component text. Okay. Let's see what they've got here. Surely it has a constructor. Oh, it's just an interface. Okay, so what inherits from this interface? How can we see that? Here, maybe. So we wanted like a text component, right? But this is talking about network. You know what? Is this correct? I'm a little bit suspicious. This might be trying to send a message to the server. So I might have the wrong one. Can we just go to... Let's check where it is implemented on the old Forge. Component. Try this. Yeah, chat component text. Okay. So in the old one, it's net Minecraft util. Net Minecraft util. Do we have a chat component here? Oh, it's component.literal. Okay. Hold on. Yeah, let's try it. Thank you. Ah, yeah, you found it. And it's saying, oh, watch out, there might be a null error. And you are absolutely goddamn right. Okay. See what happens. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, that's right. We have to update this. See how many errors of these it finds. Shouldn't be too bad. Oh, it's like 10. Okay, it's fine. I know there's a better way. But by the time I figured out the better way, I may as well have done it manually. I know. Copy and pasting is fun. Retirement parties here, mate? What are you doing here? So, are you moving? Huh? Okay, hold on. I don't think we'll care about this. First or non-null. This has to be in shared code later on. I'm telling you right now. Okay, let's rewrite this. Oh my god, I can't type. Have they implemented this? Surely, right? Modern versions of Java are better. This sucks. Otherwise, return this. Don't worry about what this is. So I just wanted to fix it. We'll copy this again. Yeah. Fix it all. 1 second. Almost done. Oh, there's a few in here. That's rather unfortunate. It's not like I care. Okay, it's all fixed. Build it. Run it. Something that versions of Java newer than 8, something that they have that's newer than Java 8 is streams. No, Java 8 has streams. I never use them because it sucks. So much code to do nothing, which makes it possible to take 4 loops and in some cases make it a single line instead of 3. Yeah. You're shopping for lambs. Retirement. It's such a retirement party thing to say, I swear. It's in Java 8 too, but it was further expanded upon later versions. Okay. You believe 1.8.9 was built for Java 6, so it can run on Windows 98. Amazing. Alright, let's run it. We are running this on Linux 98. Feels like it. Linux is pretty nice when it works. If you don't want to do any gaming related thing, it's pretty nice. I won't lie. Alright. Do we expect something in chat now? Nothing in here. So it's probably because the chat window wasn't... Oh, hold on. We should also check for errors. No, I don't think there's an error. So just all these warnings. Oh, no, there's an error here. Okay, let's get rid of all these. Ah, let's close the file I was working on. Thanks. Chat Java, ChatMate. This one. So Google isn't happy with me. Why are we migrating ChatMate to 1.21.1? Oh, it's quite simple, I'll tell you. So we can see the chat in 1.21.1. It's a parsing exception. Yeah, it is a parsing exception. Okay. Expected begin array, but was begin object. Okay, so it's expecting an array, but it's actually getting an object. Correct. You are correct, Google. Because we forgot to unwrap the item. Because you can see here, it's just like a generic success object. And then data is another object, and then chat is the array. Okay, so I skipped a few steps. Can we just define this in place? Like, we'll clean this up later. Clean it up later. Let's do like public static class get chat response. So what we need is... Hold on, I think this is documented. What does this schema look like? Right here. So we don't care about timestamp. Just care about data for now. Make that generic, why not? Can we say this? Response. Is that going to work? Let's find out. Trying to cheat a little bit here. Yeah, we just need... So the data is just reusable timestamp. And then chat, which is the actual chat items. So that should be it. Oh, yep. See if that works. I'm sure it'll tell me nicely if it doesn't work. Oh, yeah, fine. Oh, it's in an infinite loop. Okay, that's not gonna work. I'll tell you what's gonna work. Get chat response. Just wrap that. Is this going to work? No, it's not. It's amazing. Cannot select from the parameterized type. This should work. Yeah, we just ignore that there's a warning here. A warning is not an error. Keep that in mind. There you go. Okay, let's try again. For your new single player Let's Play in 1.20.1. Yep, certainly retirement party. That's kind of the idea. And also, there was actually, I didn't mention this, there was one guy who wanted to use ChatMate. Lots of red. And he couldn't use it because he's playing on the news version. God bless him. We can't cast linked tree map to get chat response. Well, why bloody not? Oh, that's so sad. Endpoint proxy. How did we do it here? From JSON. Return class extends API response space. That seems reasonable. Well, that's the same thing we've done, is it not? Get chat response.class. And what is get chat response? Something that extends API response space. Oh, we've done this. We've made an inner method. You know what? Yoink! That's so funny. Where were we? Yeah, I like this, I like this. Okay, perfect. Yeah, just add it all. I like copy and pasting. I don't know about you. Wait, why? I just noticed it's doing 4 spaces for tabs when it should be doing 2 spaces. Okay, we'll have to change that later. Only just noticed. Get chat response. You know, I don't understand. Why do we have to import the inner class? Like, it's clearly here, okay? Oh, we just have to reference it. Alright. Past response should be just this. Hey, okay, it's happy now. I think this should work, I'm gonna be honest. It's an unchecked cast. Yeah, we don't worry about warnings here, we only worry about errors. Migrated to 1.0. I think I might. Maybe an alpha version, eh? Yeah, killing is already on top of it. Alright, there's it. Dude! Oh, hold on. Okay, it's null. Okay, this is a good error. I like it. Parsing has succeeded, but I can't write it to the Minecraft chat because no Minecraft chat is visible. I think I am going to do some refactoring. Put this into just a field. And put this out. Print next chat items. Progress. And so this is where so there's 2 things here that we have to do. One, just don't get the latest chat message every time we make the request. I'll get back to that in a second. And 2, check that this is not null. Is this annotated as null? As nullable? It's not. It was this thing, right? Get instance.gy. Oh, hold on. This part here is null. Yeah, they don't have nullability annotations here. It sucks. Okay, we'll check here if GUI is null. Just return. Huh? What's wrong now? It's always false. But no, it's not. Okay, this is just wrong. This is why we don't care about warnings here. If it succeeded, not item, past response dot data dot reusable timestamp. So this is the key here. We'll save this. Let's see. So this is just a long last timestamp. Initialize it as null. Oh, some chat. The issue is that you're making it do it before you're in a world. I don't know if Forge has an event for we get into a world. Yeah, probably they do. That's a detail to worry about later. For now, what I'll do is I'll keep trying to add it until it works, basically. Very kind of you to supply this for others. Oh, thank you. Actually, it's even before you're in a world. Yeah, that's right. So I think even when this GUI object is no longer null, it doesn't mean we're in a world. So we might come across another error. So we save this. So we've added all chat items. So we can save the last timestamp. And now we'll use this here. Let's see how string interpolation here is. String.format, isn't it? limit to 10 for now. This should work. Let's make it a bit nicer here. Since will be this value. Okay, so why is this unhappy now? Oh, I forgot a bracket, I think. What you could do is set up a queue and then have a timer task that repeatedly checks if the GUI is null. Yeah, that's pretty much what we are doing in the 1.8.9 ChatMate, if I remember correctly. Because this is a problem I had come across before. Yeah. Queue is the way to go, for sure. Okay, now we set up a timer. Schedule at fixed rate. Can I do this? No. Oh, yes, I can. And this needs... Hey, excuse me. Why is the next argument not highlighted? It needs a delay. Let's just say 1000 milliseconds. And a period of 1000. Oh. Wait, what? It needs long... Okay. Still not happy? Can't resolve schedule at fixed rate, but it's right here. I think it doesn't like this timer task. Hold on, we have to create a... I think I came across this exact problem before, which is why we are stealing this. It's just stupid. Okay, look, we are getting an idea of how much code we can share later on. A lot, it turns out. New task wrapper, and to the task wrapper we just apply the callback method and it magically works. So there you go. Oh, we've now added this to the API response space. That was not my intention. That was my intention. Okay. Do we have to explicitly start the timer? Dot start. Oh, maybe not. Anything else? That should give us a continuous stream of chat information, of chat messages. Dude, Elstag, you don't post emojis. You'll literally break what we are doing here. Something that you can do with more modern versions of Minecraft is add custom fonts that could have custom icons you feed. That's interesting. Okay, you've never done it yourself, but messed with the custom Minecraft fonts. But TTF fonts are supported starting in 1.30. TTF fonts. I'll make a note of that. TTF fonts. Interesting. Let's run it. Set a breakpoint here. See what happens. It can only work at this point. Yeah, so it's already trying to add chat messages here. Let's see if it fails. No, it just silently fails, I guess. So it has no chat window yet. What the hell just happened? Oh, dude, it worked! There you go, we're printing. That's so fascinating. I don't know why it's glitching out every now and then. You see that? It's like reshifting everything. What the heck? Oh, is it trying? I think this is not working properly. Oh, right. Right, so now I know why it's kind of moving around a little bit when I'm not doing anything. It's because it's always getting 10 messages. No, but it's providing a since parameter here. Let's make sure this is actually not null. Oh, okay. So we're not updating this. We are. I mean, let's verify it. Oh, apparently we are not. Oh, exception. Okay, that's probably printing errors like crazy. Oh, Alstack broke it. Okay. Dude, I told you not to post emojis, you idiot. So now I'll be interested to see, can we do hot module reloading? Reload change classes. No, okay, why not? Oh, because we're in a callback method, I do believe. Elstack, try not to oink challenge. Difficulty, impossible. Rebel guy when he has to upgrade it to 1.21 after this. No, I'm not going to do the oinking thing. That's not my style. Okay, yeah, it's getting chat every second now. I think it's working. So we should see something here. Yep. Send a test message. And that should come through any second. F. Test. What is F? Oh, yeah, it's all here, mate. It's working. Okay, cool. Nice. Oh, that was you sending FFF. Alright. I was wondering, because I didn't see it in YouTube chat. But I see it. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Hey, that's good progress. I'm glad we got that working. So this took this took 2 hours. Commit this trash. Because it works. Log files, player data. Hold on, we have to update the git ignore, I think. Okay, let's update saves. No? Do we need to do this? Huh. It doesn't seem to be working. Oh, it has a folder icon here now. Does anyone know how can I not have git track these files here? Yeah, I think it's just saves. That's the one it doesn't know about. You don't need user cache.json. So that should disappear from here now. Hold on, let's refresh. It's still here. Where's this file even? Here. How does it work? That's fine. Don't ask again. Try deleting the files. Okay. Should probably close this first. If I delete this here. Yeah, delete it. Nuke it, mate. It's still here. Oh, come on. You see, okay, it even has the logs. What the heck? Oh, this should work. I'm trying to think, why hasn't it tracked any of the other files in the 1.8.9? Like we have a build folder, for example. Why is this not included? Oh, because of this. Oh, hold on. Maybe we just need this. No? I know what the problem is. Just restart. Okay. That did nothing. Roll back. Is it already staged? What on earth? It's so weird. I'm surprised that the Forge devs didn't consider putting the test instance in a dedicated folder that you can just ignore. Maybe they have, and I might have messed with the config. Hold on, let's go to downloads, example mod. So I know they have a git ignore file. Run. Let's chuck this in. But yeah, they don't care about like user cache and everything. That's so weird. Maybe it's supposed to go into the run folder. Oh, I think we can just safely delete that, right? Oh wait, this is the wrong one. Here. Run folder 1722. Oh yeah. So it's just putting everything into the root project because I forgot to update a path somewhere. So it's a user error on my behalf. I think the blue text means the file was modified, not added. Yeah, you are correct. In fact, you are correct. What we'll do, we have to find out where would this be defined. Maybe in here. Oh my god, what the hell? Game directory. This is what we need to add. Okay. So for some reason I removed it. I don't know. Maybe I didn't understand what it was. But now that we understand, we can add it back. 1.21/run. Oh, why is this staying open? Okay. Now we can delete. What's this? I should probably keep this. I'm just gonna delete random stuff. Hope nothing breaks. Yeah. Saves. Oh, you know what? I could have just placed it into the run folder. Can we undo? Only the last one. Linux, mate. Okay, and we'll just restart and it should work properly. What's the config? I think the config is supposed to be in the run folder. Alright, I'll trust that. Yeah, everything else should be here. I'm pretty sure. Let's compare with one. Oh, we can actually hold on here, do a little trick. Get 1.8.9 open here and check what's in the run folder. Yeah. So they have a config file here. Oh. Bin. Don't know where that comes from. Okay, I think we're safe here. I think the reason the assets like sounds aren't working is because you're pointing the assets folder to the home folder, which can't be written to. Oh, am I? Is that also in this config? Oh, this one here. I think you're onto something. What did we say here? Oh, here for... That's so funny. So I didn't know the text was wrapping, so I just copied it like this. Alright. That makes perfect sense. Yeah, good pickup. Nice. Good programmer. Alright, that should fix it. All our worries should be fixed. Oh, so it looks like what we'll be doing in 1.21 is chatting. I think you're correct. Let's verify it's adding some files here. So build... Why is logs here? Maybe it's supposed to be. Something bad happened. Cannot pass argument run of option game directory. Did I copy this incorrectly? I mean, yeah, the version should be updated. That makes sense. Why is it having trouble? Cannot pass the argument. Why can it not pass that? Well, I might have to open recent. We'll open the actual example mod that Forge provides, and we'll check the configuration here. So it's this run client. That's just what I copied. Not this one. This one here. Oh, it's this dot. Ah, right. Okay, I'm an idiot. Of course. So it's a relative folder. There you go. That should fix it. That did not fix it. Oh, because we are already in the 1.21.1 folder, because the working directory literally says right here. So we just do this. Yeah, you're right, you're right. It's a great minds think alike. And now I don't expect to see all the warnings about sound either. And clicking a button should make a sound now, which it didn't previously. Okay, yeah, they're all gone. Looking good. So give me some sound. No sound. Oh, because the volume is off. Hey, I heard it. Yeah, we got sound. Okay. Hey! What? There's music. Oh, there's new. Is the new Minecraft music good? I would be surprised, to be honest. Maybe it is. What do I know? Okay. What's the frame rate on this game? 100 on the super flat. What? There's trees on the super flat? No way. They are revolutionizing the game. First part is working. Yeah, commit. Sounds are working as well. Yeah, we fixed a whole bunch of stuff. So why is this gray? Like, it shouldn't even be showing up. Show ignored files. No, I don't want to show them. Disaster's playing. Refresh. IntelliJ commit showing ignored files. Hold on, let me mute this. Oh, I like how, so you don't hear this on your end, but Linux is doing the thing again where I don't hear the button sounds properly. They're cut off. It's just stupid. Hate Linux. What the heck? You know what? I'll just restart it. I think I meant this. Yeah, terminate. The new Minecraft music is alright, it's inoffensive. Do you mean there's no swearing in the lyrics? No N-word. Good to hear. Yeah, that really bothered me about Minecraft alpha music, to be honest. It's still the same. That's fantastic. Why are you on Linux anyways? Because I was screwed over one too many times by Windows. And honestly, it's been too long since I switched over to Linux that I don't even remember what was the problem with Windows. Like specifically, what was the issue that made me switch. But it was worth it. At least for my dev setup, I'm not switching back. I have another laptop with Windows and it's fine. Okay, it's still showing ignored files. How can we select? Surely. I don't know. Are you gonna make me click 10,000 checkboxes. Okay. It's fine. I think that's all the colored files. Okay. Got chat displaying in game. Very bad code. Okay. Commit, push, ship it. You think the update screwed me over? It's possible. Yeah, I don't remember, to be honest. I mean, I think I used to live stream on Windows. Yeah, so if you can find the exact live stream where I streamed on Linux for the first time, I'm sure I rant about Windows. You can shift-click checkboxes, if you remember. I tried that and it wasn't working. Yeah, like this. So it's not selecting them. So now what do we... Oh, we can just... No, we don't want to select everything. What? Wait, what just happened? Oh, that was the solution here. Let's uncheck everything. Yeah, I don't know why it's showing these. Okay, we should probably dig some more. Yeah, this is exactly the issue I have. Okay. Let's see. Remove from the Git index, but not yet committed. To remove them from a repo, you'll... But I don't want to remove them from a repo, I just don't want them to show up in Git. Need to follow up with a commit. What the hell? Deleted the .git directory. Isn't that gonna break everything? Hold on. I think we can... So I never use the command line for Git stuff. Git status? Oh, it's... Right. So this is just saying they are deleted. They were accidentally committed previously and we deleted them. Okay. Makes sense. Another user error, like the 10th one so far. Everything is working fine. So let's check what's actually committed now. Yeah, so this only has necessary things. Perfect. Oh, hold on. What about the root folder? Anything here we don't need? No, that's all clean. Cool. Yeah, we'll have to fix up CI. It's open source. You might throw my hat into the ring when I get time. Oh, well, feel free. It's been open source for like a whole year or something. It's very bad code though. You have been warned. What's next? Let me check the time. 7:13. When is dinner? We'll start dinner at 8, so do another 45 minutes, I reckon. Should we clean up the code, or should we clean up the appearance in chat? Good question. Probably the code, to be honest. This is a disgusting mess, but it works. Maybe it's time, so we figured out the basics. Maybe it's time to look into code sharing now. So Mr. Video Games was suggesting that we add the shared code in the root folder of the project. So I think we'll try that. Clean up the code and then fix the formatting. Yes, I think we'll fix the formatting with our cleaned up code. I like that. So we'll just add a... Oh, this might be a problem actually. Oh, let's try. Okay. Add a directory, just source. Already exists. Heh. False. Maybe I selected the wrong folder. Or do we want a module? No, I think we want a directory. I have an idea. We create a module, because I know that creates some boilerplate files. Shared for now. In this directory, it'll be Gradle. So this one I'm not sure about. Can we use the version 21 JDK? I mean, we can change it later on. And then import code from that module in the 1.8.9 ChatMate version. Parent, ChatMate or ChatMate. Probably this one. Let's just create it and then copy some files. Do you want to add the following file? Sure. Okay. Load the Gradle project. It's going to create some files that we'll just copy out. I'll show you what I mean. So I did this before in my investigation. Oh wait, it just did this automatically. Hold on. So these, all these files here are now new. Interesting. So I wonder what's in here. Can you open? Include shared. Huh. Oh, I see. Because we said the root directory, the root project is the parent. That's why it's like this. You can use the version 21 JDK to compile to Java 8 code. Oh, perfect. Yeah, I guess that was my question. Just didn't know how to word it. Shared. So what's in this build file here? Where did it get this from? So it already knows the version? Fascinating. Yeah. Let's cut and paste. I don't think we need this settings.gradle file. Include shared. Well, shared is no longer another module. It's just the root module now. So that should be fine. Save. Okay, see what happens. Settings.gradle in the root project can be used to bring the 1.8 and 1.21 folders under the same project umbrella as well. Okay, okay. Let's load this. But is it going to work even if we have different Java versions for those two? That's what I'm concerned about. Okay, so if we do Control-Shift-B, what happens? Is it building 3 different things now? Okay. Yes, it is. Okay, okay. Where's our main project? JDK is not defined. Let me fix that for you. Yeah, so this is now the shared code 21. Okay. Oh, it's not happy. 21. Okay. Build again. Build successful. Okay, so now I'm curious what happens if we try to reference this main class in another project. Probably it won't work. We have to include that shared project somehow. I just want to see if we can. Let's do it in here. So this is the 1.21.1 ChatMate. Yeah, so it's not even suggested in here. So that's what I expected. So we have to create a dependency. I think. I still don't wonder what this is. Hold on, let me ask. What is the, what's the name? Generated main folder that gets created. No, that's not what I was asking. Auto-generated files. Okay, so we don't care about it, I guess. So it's for internal use. Shouldn't need to interact with it. It's useful to know that it exists. Okay, I guess we'll keep it for now. So it's nothing bad. Nothing went wrong. Your boilerplate code has to be compiled for Java 8, by the way, as otherwise it won't run on 1.8. This can be done by instructing Java to set the version to Java 8. I have no idea how to do that. I think I do know. So if we go to the root build.gradle, so we can set source and so target compatibility. Just set this. Do we need? I think that should be fine. So now it should output one. Doesn't have any help text. Now it should output in 1.8. Pretty sure that's it. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Yeah, we got it. Okay, so now the importing. This is the hard part. So I got it wrong before. I don't remember what I did wrong. Let's try with the new version first. Settings.gradle. So if we add the include here, include. Now what do we put in here? Why is this unhappy? I have to put it at the end. What do we put here? You can then instruct the 1.21 project to compile for Java 21, and it shouldn't be too unhappy on runtime, as Java is generally good at backwards compatibility in terms of running Java 8 in a Java 21 VM, JVM. How do I do that? I think we've already... hold on. Do you mean setting the target compatibility in the other build.gradle? You might be onto something. Oh, this is already doing the same. Alright. Where were we? Settings.gradle. Yeah, I wonder what happens if I just have an empty string. Is that gonna include the root? So it will complain now, I'm sure, if it can't find it. Build successful? Does that mean we can... import dev.rebel. Oh. Yeah, can't find it. .main. Let's see what the error is. So add dependency on module ChatMate client.main. If you want, I can temporarily open source a project I worked on, which follows a model you're trying to aim. You can use it as reference. Oh, please, that would be super helpful. I mean, if it's private right now, is it okay to show on stream? Otherwise, I'll just open it in a second tab. Yeah, because I was looking at this before. In a previous attempt, I clicked on add dependency on module blah blah blah, and it broke everything. I couldn't undo this. So I'm a bit wary about clicking this. I prefer to do this with code changes as opposed to something automatic and I don't know what happens when I click this, you know. Or maybe we can just do ChatMate client main. You don't care as it'll be open source in the future. The code is absolute garbage. Look, I know what absolute garbage code looks like, okay? It's right here in this repo, so don't you worry. I want to rewrite how I do version-specific code so badly, and you should take it with your country's entire supply of salt when using it as a reference. It's full of hacks. I love it. Sounds like a fun time. Okay, didn't like this either. No worries. What about this? I like how it always says build successful. Oh wait, there's a warning here. Could not resolve filtering. Oh no, this is unrelated, I'm sure. Still nothing. Maybe we can add... oh! What is this? Oh, so it added something here. Okay. Not what I want, though. If I click the plus button here. Module dependency. Ah, I think I got it. We depend on the main code of the root project. Yeah. Okay. It's a bit weird that we don't include this in the settings.gradle, to be honest. That worries me. Oh, the color changed for a second. Hold on. Restart. Probably won't fix anything. Okay. Video game smash WJTK. Let's take a look. This one here. Oh, yeah, I see the versioning. Alright. Settings. Build. Just pick a random one. Build. No settings.gradle, I'm noticing. Ah! Okay, let's look at the root one first. So this is using include on all the version drivers. Alright, alright. And then the build.gradle. I think there's nothing here that we need to care about. Yeah, let's try that. Wait, which file was it? Settings.gradle, right? Yeah. Wrong one. Oh my god, too many tabs, mate. It's just stupid. This one. Oh, wrong paste. So let's say we want to include 1.21.1. Right. Build. Oh, but this is the... oh, wait. So this build.gradle, we don't care anything about it. And then here... Huh? So there's a supervisor module, which is included here, as well as all the other ones. So they're kind of sibling modules. Oh, there is something important in that. Oh, do you want me to not show it? You leaked your you leaked your crypto wallet key, secret key. millions of dollars lost. Well, we've made changes. Let's refresh and see what happens. Oh, there's an error. Okay, okay. That's progress. Build a Gradle in the root project. That is the one we closed. Line 96 to 102. Oh. I have no idea how this works. What's root object? Root project, I mean. Perhaps we'll copy all of this. Borrow, I mean. If it works, I might leave your username there as a reminder. Maybe. Just maybe. Oh, right, this is just a variable. For each subproject. I trust that this doesn't install a virus. Then we may or may not need this. And then we may or may not need this. We don't know yet. Let's just refresh. Okay, immediately we get an error. So, evaluating root project ChatMate client. Could not find method implementation for arguments root project ChatMate client. What? Well, clearly it's very unhappy about this. Okay, okay, okay. Do we need this still? Oh, hold up. Look. Build successful. Oh, okay. So this defines... I think I know why it suddenly worked. This must be defining the array of submodules, subprojects. This one here. So if this is an empty file, this will be an empty array. So I suspect if I try again, it'll fail. This is where the differences between Fabric and Forge may come into play. Yeah, it's possible. Does this make sense? Maybe. We need to add something here. So this is build Gradle. Oh, I think we added this already. Didn't we? Oh, no, we didn't. Okay, okay. It has to go to dependencies. Oh, right, because I didn't know what to add. That was the problem. So we need to add... maybe an empty string because it's a root object, root project. Maybe, maybe, maybe. Remap jar isn't an actual method in Forge. Oh, okay. Let's see if our friend knows something. Is there this method in Forge? Equivalent method. Think it's misunderstanding my query, but also I don't know exactly what I'm asking. Oh, okay, this is the same error we had before. path. Oh, yeah, no, we haven't had this one. A path must be specified. So it has to start with a colon, I think. Let's try that. Oh, it's not failing yet. Oh, successful. Oh, maybe we should undo. What is this? The manual reference. That might be messing with it. I'm not sure. Oh, I think it's gone. I added this, right? This live stream evidence. Or did I remove it again? Oh, here. Oh no, this is automatic. Maybe we'll try. Module is imported from Gradle. Any changes made in its configuration might be lost after importing. Alright. Whatever that... Oh, dude! It found it! Okay. Main.main. So now the question is, what don't we actually need? Let's just try this again. So it doesn't like this. Can we remove this? Question mark. Now it doesn't like this. Okay. Let's remove this step by step. Just see what happens. Okay. Ah, yeah, see, this is the same error I got previously. Yeah, I don't know how to fix this. So we are building the main project in the root folder. But when we build that, I think the reference might be the wrong way around or something. When we build that, for some reason it's looking at the plugins of the 1.21.1 build or Gradle, and it's getting hung up on the following. Can't find it. Let's just get rid of this. Oh, yeah, I should probably fix that. Oh, hold up. Oh, that was it. Wait, didn't I try this before and it wasn't working? That's so weird. So this is at least, let's do a Control-Shift-B. Okay, it's not building. Okay, never mind. Circular dependency. Ah, yeah, I've seen this error before as well. No idea how to fix it. Source release 15 requires target release 15. Oh, there's a potential problem here. Yeah, new Java versions would be an issue. So, what are we modifying here? So all these files have the same name. It's a disaster. Let's remove this and try again. Okay, so this is still complaining about the circular dependency. So it's compiling Java twice. Wonder how this works. Oh, whoops, meant to do this. So there's my module. Can I select a different drop-down menu? Drop-down item? Let's find out. No. Maybe this one? No, same error every time. It's truly intriguing. It would probably have to be compiled anyway. let's see. Hey, where's my M? Multi-version shared code. Let's see. I don't understand this. Trying to see if there's anything obvious that stands out. I don't even know exactly why it's getting a circular dependency. It's trying to compile twice or something. I'm guessing that's the problem. So what happens if we have this here? Right, so it's definitely not working. What happens? Can we include just an empty string? See if it's happy with that. Oh, let's build everything. Is that it? No, same. Okay, I don't know why. I don't actually know what happens when I press the refresh button after making changes to this file versus building. I don't know what the difference is. Absolute noob. Yeah, circular dependency. Maybe this didn't do anything with an empty string. Cannot resolve something? Okay, it's fine. It's just the same. Let's see if we can find something. Maybe cradle. Oh, it's a disaster. When a module depends on itself. Oh. So is this saying shared depends on 1.21.1 and vice versa? Could that be? I almost wonder if we set it up like Mr. Video Games. So create a new module, call it shared parent. Should it have a parent? Oops. Maybe. We'll try with a parent. If that doesn't work, we'll try without a parent. I don't know which one we need. Trial and error. We'll exhaust all the possibilities. Let's rename this to main shared. Oh, and I think we have to... Let's just do that in here, it's easier. Should we have the Gradle files in here? Yes, apparently we should. Let's get rid of this. Just trying it out, see what happens. So now it's a different module. It's no longer the root module. So perhaps if we... Oh, too many files again. Why can't we VS Code has this beautiful feature where we can wrap the tabs. Wrap tabs. There must be a way. Huh? Tab placement. I don't see it. I see pin tab. Why do they crop the screenshots, mate? Small. Oh, here. Must be here. Come on, come on, come on. No, I don't think it... I need to upgrade my version. So maybe we can search here. Wrap. Let's see. Nah. Okay, whatever. Now I forgot what we were looking for. I think this one. Wait a second. Oh, so it included automatically. Okay, we can take an example from that. So I didn't type this. This was included automatically. So if we do build up Gradle in the root project, anything else that included automatically? No. What about here? No, just the usual. And it doesn't have a settings.gradle for shared. So perhaps if we include, oh, just uncomment this. Include that. Don't think we have to do anything here. Yeah, this is gonna complain. Hold on, shared. Dev rebel main shared. Cannot even resolve. Oh, we haven't refreshed. Okay, let's do that. Oh, I might be onto something. Nope, already failing. Oh, wait. There's a build.gradle here, which we don't want anymore. Oh, wait. We're in the module. This one here, I don't think we want anymore. Let's try again. Oh, same issue. Ah, fantastic. Why is it so hard? I just don't understand. There must be an easy way. Main shared. There must be an easy way. Let's just build everything and see what happens. So it has a circular dependency again. But it's not very helpful in telling us where is this circular dependency. Like, why? Oh, it must be this line here. Hold on, let's remove this for now. That kind of makes sense, actually. Yeah, and see, now it's working. Okay, let's build the whole thing. Yeah, can't find main shared. Project structure. Can we add this manually now? This one. Yeah, why not? Okay, okay, okay. That's green. Build. Can't find symbol. Maybe you have to run this. Oh, so many errors. It's a disaster. Okay, 10 minutes until dinner. I don't think we can do this one today. It's a later problem. What's relevant? Yeah, we don't need to depend on any other project because this is the bottommost project that everything else should depend on. So that makes sense. Dependencies. So this is erroring out now. For some reason. Only sometimes. Only when I build it. This is gone now. I have no idea what's going on. Which possibility, which combination haven't we tried yet? Surely this has to include shared, right? Maybe, just maybe, this will work. No matching variant of project shared was found. Okay. The consumer was configured to find a library for use during compile time, compatible with Java 21, preferably blah blah blah, and its dependency. But none of the variants have attributes. No version here. Maybe we shouldn't have this. Blah. Okay, see what happens. Same error. I don't know why this is trying to build the root directory now. We might have to, even though this has not fixed an issue even once, but maybe this time it will. So it still thinks the root is a module. Let's give it a second to catch up. Oh, sorry, the chat wasn't coming through just then. Hold on. You've made a shitty graph in MS Paint. I don't know how far behind I am. My apologies. You've uploaded the graph. I thought I was talking to myself. Oh, there was an option. Show tabs in one row. Okay, I do apologize. Root project that has the version agnostic code. All projects are under one umbrella. Supervisor uses no version specific code and instead calls code in the root project that then calls code in the 1.21.1 code or 1.69 code, depending on the version. Let me try to understand this. Why? I don't understand. Why does... So you say here that the root project has code that calls code in the 1.21 project, right? Which is version specific. But here you say it's version agnostic. So which one is it? So that's the part I don't understand. Every sub-project depends on the root project, and that's what 96 to 121 does. To 120, 102. Right. It's this one here. Where's my tab? So we are here in the root project. It's telling every sub-project to depend on the root project. Okay, that makes sense. May want to tinker with Fabric in the future, as the Minecraft modding community tends to like utility mods running on Fabric. As opposed to like adding new mobs or new items and so on. I see. The version agnostic code simply stores something like an interface that lays the groundwork for what needs to be done, and the version specific code implements those interfaces. Oh. So supervisor code has the actual logic, and then the root project is just the interface between the supervisor code and the specific versions. Is that what you mean? Because that makes perfect sense then. I didn't even consider that we would need to probably worry about interfaces. Alright. Look, we are out of time. It's 8 o'clock. But this gives me a good starting point. I'll experiment further, and we'll probably do another live stream at some point. But thank you so much, Video Games M12. I think you've been pretty helpful. So I don't know what any of these errors mean I'm getting, but at least I understand the project architecture of what we are probably aiming towards, because that makes sense. That seems like the right way. Download the project code as a zip. Okay, I think I will. So I'm guessing you are going to private it again. Thank you. Much appreciated. I'll remember you. If it works. We'll see. Yeah, on that note, look, we've made progress. We haven't got the shared code working, but we have the 1.20, 1.1 mod somewhat working. Like, it's doing things. So if we have things, we can improve on it in the future. We can edit the code, no problem. So getting started is always the hardest part. So on that note, yeah, you're gonna private it. Alright. Yeah, on that note, I think we'll head off. It's dinner time. Thank you everyone for joining, and thank you so much, Video Games M12, for your help. You have been invaluable in this live stream. Hold on. I think we have no one on... See, this has never happened before. Yeah, this has never happened before. We don't have anyone on YouTube. We only have someone on Twitch. Usually it's always the other way around. So, but I guess you would have been on YouTube if you didn't get shadow banned. So, which makes no sense, because you were... yeah, you were literally in here. You didn't say anything bad, and suddenly it stops showing the messages. Yeah, I switched to live chat as well. To check if maybe it's just filtering the messages, but no. Huh. Yeah, it's weird. Anyway, I think we'll head off. It's because you said retard. Look, it's possible. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, let's head off. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, stay rebel and goodbye.